Hey guys, it's just Mitchell101 here, and I wanted to teach you guys in this video how to do the liquid move called Waterfall. You get your hands, and you put them flat next to each other, and then you get one hand and curve it like that above the other hand, and then you put it down, go up again with the other hand. But as you're doing this, try and move it, get the opposite hand and go out, above, and curve your hands over as you're going. And then once that's basically all it is, that, to that, to that, to that. But then when you really get to it, do it to some trance music or chilled music like this. This is Haze by Louis Levin, French. And then try and get it. Think of water when you're doing it, or I don't, but and then you could get that into globe or something. Yeah, so it's liquid move called Waterfall. Thank you for watching.